Let me show you how to use live labs to track intervals in Strava app. So if you're trying to track your live labs inside of Strava, the first thing you need to do is head over to the record section, which is the option on the bottom of the screen. And once you're inside of this section, you just need to select your sport. Once you selected your sport, there are a few things that you need to ensure. Firstly, as it is obvious, you need to tap on the record button. Now, before you do that, you'll also need to ensure that laps are set to manual instead of auto. So right here, you'll have the option which says track laps, manually track your laps. So make sure that this option is enabled rather than relying on the auto lap tracker. Also make sure that the share live location is enabled so that it gets the most accurate results. So once you make sure both of these settings are intact, you can now simply tap on the record button and your interval laps will be tracked. So using this exact method, you can use live labs to track your intervals in Strava. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.